Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do so right now. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I took the Dollar Tree picture frames and turned them into these wooden display Christmas trees that I am showing you here, that I have displayed in my kitchen, on my kitchen counter. So come on in and let me show you how I did it. Here is the picture frame that I used for this project, and this is the wooden palette that I also used along with my glue gun. And this is basically all of what I'll be using for this project. Now here you see I am carefully taking it apart, the picture frame apart, and I'm only going to use one of the longer sides of the frame, but I want to use the two shorter sides of this frame. And one of those shorter sizes, I'm going to cut it down to the straight edge. And I'm only going to use one at the 45-degree angle. So I'm using my Dremel, just demonstrating, showing you how I've already cut one down straight. And the reason why I did this, because I didn't have a 45-degree angle or any angle cutter. So it would have to be cut a little different than the 45 degrees. So I didn't have an angle cutter, so I just did it this way because it was the best way for me to do it. So now this is how I will assemble it together when I hot glue it. With the wooden palette, I'm going to take it apart because I need one of the larger planks here on the front, and then I'm going to be using those two smaller pieces that holds the planks together. Next, I'm using Gorilla wood glue to attach these pieces together along with hot glue. And this is what's going to make my stand hold together. So the next thing is, these are items that I use to do the inside of the frame. And this is Hobby Lobby foam board that I cut, traced to the back of the frame, and then I cut the shape out. And then I used this Walmart burlap that I got from Walmart, and I cut out 3 pieces, one for the back, 2 to put on the front, and then I used this Elmer's spray glue bond to attach it to the foam board. And then this is how my frame came out, because I decided to paint it black. And I use spray paint, but you can use any type of paint for the look that you want. And then I'm just going to attach it with the hot glue gun. The next step is to decorate it, and I found these ornaments in the Dollar Tree. And my intent was to do this with a wooden nativity, but the Dollar Tree didn't have any. So when I got home, I decided to use my cutting machine to see what that would look like. But this is what it looks like, and I'm not happy with it. So I think I'm going to just do another one, and I will check back at the Dollar Tree once they get more of their Christmas ornaments and Christmas items out. Or I'm going to go to Hobby Lobby, and I'm sure I will find one there. So here it is. I've completed it. I'm happy with the way it came out. I thought it came out really cute. I had to add a wood plank down on the bottom of it to make sure it stands up more sturdier. And then I added a smaller piece on the front as well just to complete the look of the lighter wood. So I really liked it, and I'm happy with the way it came out. So guys, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel so you can get notifications on all of my videos. I hope this has been a helpful idea for some of you who want to do some of your own DIYs for the Christmas season. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye-bye.